Have you ever wondered if changing how you see the world could change your suffering? Welcome back to Aria Dharma, where we uncover pure Theravada teachings from the Pali Canon to bring calm and clarity to your modern life. Last time, we explored the fourth noble truth of Magga, the Noble Eightfold Path as the practical way to end suffering. Tonight, we begin detailing the path with its first two factors: right view and right intention, the foundation of all wisdom and ethical living. The Blessed One taught that right view is the forerunner of the path, the correct understanding that guides all other factors. Right view is seeing the four noble truths clearly: suffering, its origin, its cessation, and the path. It is understanding Kamma, actions, and their results, and the truth of impermanence, unsatisfactoriness, and non-self in all phenomena. Right view sees that there is no permanent, unchanging self behind experiences, only the five aggregates in constant flux. This understanding frees the mind from clinging to false ideas of I or mine. The Buddha explained right view in the Mahacattarisaka Sutta of Majjhima Nikaya 117 as both mundane and supramundane. Mundane right view accepts Kamma and rebirth, while supramundane right view penetrates the truths directly. Right intention is the commitment that flows from right view: renunciation, goodwill, and harmlessness. Renunciation is turning away from sensual craving, finding contentment in simplicity. Goodwill is metta, the wish for all beings to be well and happy. Harmlessness is karuna and nonviolence, abstaining from thoughts of harm. These intentions purify the mind, making it ready for deeper concentration and insight. The Blessed One emphasized that right view and right intention work together like the roots and trunk of a tree supporting the branches. Without correct view, intentions can be misguided. Without wholesome intentions, view remains intellectual. In modern life, right view helps reframe challenges. Seeing stress as impermanent reduces its power over us. When facing uncertainty, understanding Kamma encourages responsible choices without fear of the unknown. Right intention cultivates goodwill in relationships, softening reactions to difficult people. Harmless thoughts reduce inner conflict, bringing calm even in tense situations. This foundation transforms how we approach daily decisions, from work to personal habits. The Buddha's teaching on these factors shows that wisdom begins with seeing reality and intending kindness. In moments of confusion or anger, pausing to ask, "What is my view here?" can shift perspective gently. Cultivating goodwill toward ourselves first allows it to flow naturally to others. right view and intention together create the conditions for all other factors to arise. The Blessed One's clear explanation inspires us that the path starts with the mind's orientation. In the next episode on Aria Dharma, we will explore right speech and right action, bringing ethics into daily words and deeds. Thank you for joining this journey with Aria Dharma, where we explore the original teachings to cultivate calm, clarity, and compassion in everyday Western life. Read the Mahacattarisaka Sutta, Majjhima Nikaya, 117 at Sutta Central or Access to Insight, free public domain. Resources for all to study the authentic words of the Buddha. May the Dhamma guide you toward peace as right view and intention remind us that correct understanding and kind motivation are the beginning of liberation. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, inviting you to subscribe and explore more pure Theravada wisdom for your path to gentle inner healing and understanding. Right view and intention are timeless, showing that the path begins with how we see and intend. They encourage us to question our assumptions, cultivating wisdom in daily observations. Remember the Buddha's emphasis on these factors, applying them when views or intentions arise in challenging moments. This foundation highlights that liberation starts with the mind, fostering hope amid modern confusion. The teaching on right view offers perspective on impermanence, reducing clinging to outcomes. Through the Pali Canon, these insights remain accessible, supporting Western beginners in finding clarity and kindness. Join Aria Dharma for more insights, where each episode builds on this foundation to gently heal and awaken the mind in the spirit of the Buddha's legacy. Thank you once more for your time. And remember, right view illuminates the path like dawn breaking through darkness. May you find inspiration in these factors to cultivate understanding and goodwill, leading to greater peace in your own life and relationships. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, dedicated to sharing the original Theravada teachings for your personal growth and inner harmony. The Buddha's insight into right view teaches us to see things as they truly are, freeing the mind from delusion. His emphasis on right intention shows that kindness is the natural outcome of wisdom. By reflecting on view and intention in small ways, we build the foundation for deeper practice. This truth encourages compassion for ourselves as we learn, helping us progress with patience. The legacy of right view and intention invites us to align mind with truth, paving the way for profound calm in our routines. Join us at Aria Dharma to delve further into these timeless principles designed for beginner seeking. clarity, and serenity in modern times. Thank you for embarking on this path with us, and may the Dhamma illuminate your journey toward a more peaceful and awakened existence. See you in the next episode, where we explore right speech and right action in greater depth. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, your companion in exploring the pure teachings of Theravada Buddhism for contemporary living. The foundation of the path is a beacon for those seeking relief from confusion, offering clear vision and kind intention. The teaching on right view shows that understanding reality reduces suffering at its root. This insight can gently transform daily perspectives, bringing freedom from fixed ideas. The Buddha's clear declaration reminds us that the path begins with the heart and mind aligned. Through honest reflection, we can cultivate view and intention, transforming ordinary moments into steps toward awakening. Right view and intention foster humility and joy, helping us connect more deeply with the potential for wisdom. Join Aria Dharma for more insights, where each episode builds on this foundation to support your journey toward genuine inner calm. Thank you for your time, and may right view and intention bring gentle wisdom and peace to your heart today. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, dedicated to sharing the original Theravada teachings for your personal growth and inner harmony.